So a function that calls itself is known as recursive function, and this process is called recursion. This is a basic structure of recursive function. Here in the main function, the recursive function recurse is called, and in the recursive function there will be two cases, a recursive case and a base case. In the recursive case, the recurse function is again called again, and it is recursively called again and again. In the base case, that will be a termination, that is, if the conditions in the base case is satisfied, the program will terminate. An example program for recursive function is this. This program is for finding the sum of natural number. So if we give a number that is 5, it will give the output 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 15. This is implemented using a recursive function. Here the recursive function is sum. We give the number that we need to find the sum of a natural number, that is passed to sum. Then it checks if n not equal to 0. That is the recursive case, and the else part is the base case. If n is not equal to 0, then we need to find sum of n minus 1 plus n. Then the function is called again. Sum of n minus 1 is called, then it is called again and again until n becomes 0. When n becomes 0, the value of n will be returned. So the program ends like that. For example, if we take n value as 5, sum of 5, that is 5 not equal to 0, so we need to find 5 plus sum of 4, that is sum of 4 is 4 not equal to 0. Then we need to find sum of 3, then we need to find sum of 2, then we need to find sum of 1, then it comes 0, then n will be equal to 0, so it returns n. The program ends. Like that we find the sum of first 5 natural numbers, that is 1 to 5, that will be equal to 15. Similarly, if we enter the number as 20, the first sum of the first 20 natural number is 210.